Pnawn da. Pnawn da to a very critical period in your development.
Okay.
Iawn, achos pnawn yma, this course is mynd tan dydd Gwener. Felly, yfori mewn gwirionedd is the last full day of lessons, yfori. Felly, mewn gwirionedd, this is
the last full day lessons.
No, yfori.
Oh, so yfori.
Yeah, yfori. So yfori is the last full day of lessons. So heddiw, mewn ffordd, this is the day when you start storming the battlements. Okay? Heddiw ydy'r diwrnod ar wers yma. Felly, mae mynd i fod yn bwysig iawn. It's like when you're running a race and you know you've got to speed up at a certain point or you will never actually pass everybody to get the finish line. Felly, heddiw, dyn ni'n dechrau. Okay? Heddiw, we've reached that point now where we really need to focus to get to that finish line. Okay? Because we leave it till tomorrow, it'll be hwyr, and we do not want to be hwyr. So, dyn ni eisiau bod in the zone heddiw hyn ymlaen. Okay? Cos mae Cymraeg chi'n dechrau dod. We're reaching that tipping point, which I can sense. Okay? Yeah, so, felly dyna ni. Now, Mehefin. June. So this is a can ynglyn â'r misoedd y flwyddyn. So Ionawr, Chwefror, Mawrth ac Ebrill, Mai, Mehefin a Gorffennaf. Awst, Medi, Hydref, Tachwedd, Rhagfyr, Olaf 1. Olaf, last one. So Ionawr ydi January. Ionawr, Chwefror, February. Ionawr, Chwefror. Pawb?
Chwefror.
Ionawr, Chwefror. Mawrth. Ac Ebrill. March and April. Mai. Mehefin. A Gorffennaf. We know in Mehefin next month is Gorffennaf. Awst. Medi. Hydref. Tachwedd.
Can't see that one.
So it's Tachwedd. Rhagfyr. Olaf. 1. So Rhagfyr, December is the last one. Last month there. Mae Dawn, you may know it, okay. Ionawr, Chwefror, Mawrth ac Ebrill, Mai, Mehefin a Gorffennaf, Awst, Medi, Hydref, Tachwedd, Rhagfyr, Olaf 1.
Beth, months of the year? Beth? Months of the year.
Months of the year.
Is that what they are? Is that what you're all
Yeah.
Much as I love looking at you, I can't see the board at all.
Oh, right, okay.
And you know, I'm pretty quick at
We've
picking
moved
it
things
all
around
up.
a bit, yeah, right. Yeah, these are misoedd. Misoedd. Months y flwyddyn. Months of the year.
Flwyddyn.
Misoedd y flwyddyn. Dyma nhw.
Misoedd y flwyddyn.
December.
So, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, last of all.
Olaf 1. So Olaf, last. Olaf,
cyntaf, first. Olaf, last. Nesaf, fel drws nesaf. Next, drws nesaf. Next door, because we were talking about that yesterday. Yeah, so drws nesaf. Gorffennaf. End of summer. So what have you got? You've got mis Mai was the beginning of summer. Mehefin is the middle of summer. Mehefin is the middle of summer. And Gorffennaf is the end of summer, according to the Old Welsh calendar.
August is a summer month.
August is an autumn month in Cymraeg. So autumn starts vanna. Hydref is the end of autumn, and y Gaeaf, winter starts on the first. Tachwedd, Rhagfyr, and then Ionawr. That's why Calan Gaeaf, Halloween, is actually the first. It was on the last night of October, first day of there. So that's where the winter started. Calan Gaeaf. Felly, o'r top, unwaith eto. O'r top. Like a good male voice choir, even though the girls here. Felly. I know, I didn't mean it if you're in the Royal Albert Hall. Okay, felly. Okay, dyn ni gyd, we've gone through to the final, right? And we're going for the Aur, going for the gold prize in the Royal Albert Hall. Right, Welsh choirs, right, okay. This is it for the gold.
I'm singing the wrong tune.
Lovely.
Okay.
I know what I'm saying.
Be dyn ni'n mynd i wneud nawr? Be dyn ni'n mynd i wneud nawr? Okay, we're going to do, and gyflym iawn, we're going to read through tudalen 3 a 4, then we're going to do the lines, and we're going to do a few things that ni'n mynd i wneud. Ond heddiw, we are going to do some siarad Cymraeg, and we're just going to just siarad Cymraeg, a dim ond siarad Cymraeg, and the Saesneg is going to go allan a dim ond Cymraeg. We're going to do that before the end of the lesson. So, now then, script. Tudalen 3. 3 a 4, darllen trwy hyn yn gyflym ac wedyn dyn ni'n mynd i fod yn gweithio. So heddiw, it's a lesson of gweithio. Yeah, heddiw, gweithio. So tudalen 3. Mae hi'n noson, loer gan gleirwen pan mae pawb...
Loer gan gleirwen?
Yeah, so tudalen 3. Let's wait there, we get to the pages. Tudalen 3. Mae hi'n noson.
Do you want to close that door?
Mae hi'n noson.
Are you okay? Okay.
Mae hi'n noson. Loer gan. Gleirwen. Ac mae'r lleiad ar ser. Yn gwenin dirion. Ar bawb. A phobeth. Yn y goedwig. Ond yw pawb. Yn y goedwig. Ddim yn gwenu. Dyw pawb yn y goedwig. Ddim yn gwbl hapus. Dwi ddim yn hapus. Meddai dewir dreinog dedwydd. Bob bore, pan dwi'n trio, cysgu i mewn am ychydig, dwi'n cael yn neffro, yn sydyn, gan sŵn, cerddoriaeth, uchel ofnadwy. O ben draw'r goedwig. A dwi ddim yn gallu mynd nôl i gysgu wedyn. A dweud y gwir, mae e'n gwneud i fi ymddwyn braidd yn bigog. Ar brydiau. A dyw hynny ddim fel fi. Nag yw, ddim o gwbl. Cytunodd pawb. Dwi ddim yn hapus chwaith. Meddai Anwen. Ar arth fawr addfwyn. Bob bore. Pan dwi'n trio, cysgu i mewn am ychydig, dwi'n cael yn neffro. Yn sydyn. Gan sŵn crafu. Ar fetel. Ar regi. A bytheirio. A gwyd llosgu difrifol.
A gwynt, losgi difrifol.
O ben draw'r goedwig.
O ben draw'r goedwig.
Ardderchog, da iawn. Nawr, un peth dwi'n mynd i wneud cyn i ni wneud y llunellau ydy, un peth dwi'n gweld would be handy for you to be able to distinguish between ydy this business of I have done something and I have 2 children, I have 3 children, I have a red car. In Gymraeg, it's a different have. Yeah? One means it's something in the past, and one means that you possess something. Felly, I'm sure bod pawb yn gallu gweld hwn yn y canol. If you want to say, I have done something, so ydych chi'n dweud, I have eaten lunch, or I have read a book, dwi wedi. So, dwi wedi, and then whatever you've done, is I have done something. Yeah. So you slot in a verb. So, dwi wedi rhedeg, dwi wedi dawnsio, dwi wedi yfed gwyn, dwi wedi gweithio yn y farchnad yma Llynlleth, beth bynnag. So that's the have done something. If, on the other hand, you want to say, I have 3 children. So
are we hearing something through cans? What are we hearing?
People outside, I think, just walking
past.
past.
Oh.
Yeah. Idiots. So, felly, os ydych chi eisiau dweud, I have something in the sense of I've got something. That's a different, that's possession. So beth ydy hynny, you put my and whatever you've got, and then it's gyda fi. It basically means something or other is with me. Felly, if you were to say, car coch, say I've got a red car. My, you drop in car coch, gyda fi. Gyda fi. So
I have children.
Yeah.
Children are with me.
Yeah.
But I have been wedi. Gyda fi with me, wedi, I have...
Wedi is have
run
with a verb.
In the past.
In the past.
My plant gyda fi.
My plant gyda fi. So here you would say, my plant gyda fi, I've got some children, but you're being not specific about how many children.
What about my force gyda fi?
Yeah, da iawn. So if it's the force,
my horse.
My grim gyda fi. I've got the force.
Grim force.
Yeah, fel yn Star Wars, mae'r grim gyda fi. Right? So, nawr, fan hyn, ydych chi'n gallu dweud mai, dau o blant.
2 children.
2 children. 2 children. 2 of children yn Gymraeg. Dau o blant gyda fi.
Gyda fi, ie.
Mae 3 o blant gyda fi. Mae 4 o blant gyda fi. Yeah?
So when I say, is the O always in there? So when I say un o merch?
No, if you're saying...
Un merch.
With numbers in Cymraeg, what you usually do is the 2 ways of doing it. You can either say like, if it's merch, right? It's un ferch, 1 daughter. Dwy ferch, 2. But you always use a singular with a number. If you're just saying like dwy ferch, tair merch, peder merch, and so on. Okay? Or un bachgen, 2 bachgen, 3 bachgen. It's like saying 1 boy, 2 boy, 3 boy, 4 boy. Not boys. 1 boy, 2 boy, 3 boy. But you can also say 1 or 2 of boys, and that's why you use the plural. So if you think dau o blant is 2 of children. Yeah. If you said I've got 2 children, and the other way you'd say my dau blentyn gyda fi. But that's
dau blant.
Yeah. So, but if you wanted to say say a word like key and coon. Now this one is singular, that one is plural. If you say I've got 2 dogs, you would say my dau gi gyda fi. So right? My dau gi gyda fi. That's 2 dog. Or you would have to say my dau o goon. Dau o goon, 2 of dogs. Either will do. But when you come
Why not diogi?
No, you say daigi, 2 dog, or 2 of dogs. That's the way it's done. No, but with children, people tend to say dau o blant, 3 o blant, peder o blant. If you just learn that off pat.
Fine.
But with anything else, if you say like I've got 2 red cars, I've got 1 red car. My car coch gyda fi. What if I got 2 red cars? My Dau gar coch gyda fi. I've got 3 red cars. Mae 3 car coch gyda fi. I've got 4 red cars. Mae 4 car coch gyda fi. I've got 5 red cars. Mae 5 car coch gyda fi. So you can, it's quite easy actually if you use the singular, right? But with children they tend to say 2 o blant, 3 o blant, 4 o blant, ac yn y blaen. Yeah, okay. So that's the distinction. I mean, dwi wedi canu in the Royal Albert Hall, as you just did now, right? But something you possess. So my blah 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 gyda fi.
So V means me.
V means me. Now, how would you say he's got 4 children? Now then, all you need, yeah?
Mine.
No.
Follow the same pattern.
My plant gyda...
How many 4 children? My
Pedwar
o blant.
Gyda Steve.
Gyda Steve. Or gyda fe. Because I remember at the beginning when I said my A, but I did put a V in brackets and I crossed out because I didn't want to confuse you so much. So it's V, T, ve, he, and then the others are the same. Ni, chi, nhw. So if you say, Steve has got 4 children, mae 4 o blant gyda Steve, you say he's got 4 children, mae 4 o blant gyda fe. Right, if you say that, un ferch? So mae un ferch, she's got?
One girl.
Gyda
Gyda
hi.
Gyda hi.
Mae un ferch gyda hi. 2? Was it 2?
2, yeah.
Yeah, mae 2 o blant gyda Tom, o mae 2 o blant gyda fe. 1 na 2, yeah. Beth sy'n gen ti? 1. Right, mae 1 ferch, ynta? 1 ferch. 1 ferch. Mae 1 ferch gyda... Gyda Caroline neu gyda hi? Gyda hi. So mae 1 ferch, they're both the same. Mae 1 ferch gyda... them?
No.
Mae 1 ferch gyda nhw.
Gyda nhw.
Oh my
Right?
God, I'm
Okay.
fried.
No,
Are you
it's quite
fried
easy.
too, Jamie?
Yeah.
Are you getting on with this?
Always fried.
But it's quite easy. So how would you say plant?
Quite easy.
Didn't plant. Plant? 2.
Quite easy.
Die. So how would you say that
Easy for you to
Jamie
say.
has got 2 children?
I would say Jamie's got 2 children.
Yeah, and Gymraeg,
My Jamie,
you're the 2 children.
my 2 o blant gyda
Jamie.
Jamie.
Yeah, so we'll start off with that. We'll use
My
people's
2
names.
blant gyda...
My 2 o blant
Blant
gyda
gyda
Jamie.
Jamie.
But if you want to say he's got my 2 o blant gyda...
Fe.
Yeah.
If you wanted to ask, if I was to say, make a statement,
Yeah.
my tree, yeah?
3.
So my tree o plant gyda ti.
Yeah.
I mean, but if I was going to ask you a question,
Yeah.
would it still be just a different inflection, eh?
No, you put
my tree o
oes.
plant gyda ti?
Oes 3 o blant gyda ti.
Oes tree o plant.
So if you want to do the question, so
There we are.
so if I would say that oes 2 o blant gyda ti, you'd say no.
Na.
No. Mae
1 merch gyda fi.
2 iawn. So if I were to say oes 5 o blant gyda ti? No. You'd say mae
2 o plant gyda
My
fi.
assistant.
How's that
my
called?
glamorous
Dial.
assistant over there.
I've heard something similar to this, but it's dutty.
Yeah, that's
Or
just
something dutty.
That's
Or
just-
instead of take the gutter.
it's like
Gutter.
that's like I have got becomes I've got.
It's more colloquial.
Yeah. Okay, so I just wanted to flag that up because some of you have been trying to use it, you've been overusing the dwy wedi. But that's the distinction. So, any animals, anifeiliaid, any pets you've got, anifeiliaid.
Tom's not sure this one.
Right, so,
If you're on the phone.
Mae 1 ci,
yeah,
mae 1 ci gyda fi.
arferchog. You could say, mae un gyda gyda fi, or
Hefyd,
or enw is called. So you say,
Hefyd.
yeah,
mae 2 o gath gyda fi.
diogathod if you were using the
Gathod.
diogathod, or dwy gath.
Dwy gath.
Mae dwy gath.
Mae 2 gath gyda
Yeah,
fi.
gyda fi, arferchog. So mae un ci gyda fi, a mae dwy gath gyda fi. If you wanted to say their names,
Mae nervous
Or
breakdown gyda fi.
or enw, called, or enw.
It's in the kids and the
Or
dog.
enw, called, or enw. Yeah, ardderchog. So you can say animals, you can say, do you want any other vocabulary you can
Did you
say?
say how old?
We'll do that later on, rather than Friday.
She's flying ahead.
Yeah.
And also, I had a pet, but it's dead.
You had a what?
I had a pepper.
If you want to talk about something you used to have,
Yes. You can't say wedi.
change the my to a roedd.
Roedd.
There was
Roedd.
something with me.
Roedd dau... or un...
Yeah. No, for the
Un ci.
My un ferret gyda fi.
Oh, you got a ferret?
Yeah, un ferret gyda fi. Mae un ferret gyda fi, ond, but, roedd 3 ferret gyda fi. Yeah, so Elvis wedi marw. He's dead. Yeah, he's dead.
That's still debatable.
Yeah, with the ferret. Yeah. Ond so, mae un ferret gyda fi. Mae un ferret gyda fi. O'r enw Mariel.
Mario.
Mae un ferret gyda fi. Oh, actually, it's not mine. It is ours as a family. So I could say, mae un ferret gyda...
Gyda chi.
Ni. No is them. Mae un ferret gyda ni o'r enw Mariel. Ferret, what colour is she? Ferret wen?
White.
White. What gender is she? Dead.
I mean, once is embarrassing, twice is embarrassing.
We know she's a girl, right? We know she's right. How what gender is she?
Yeah, like what colour is this red wine? So the white tasting, yeah. So my un ferret gyda fi, right? Ond roedd 3 ferret gyda fi.
How do you write roedd?
Roedd. And when speaking, it's there on the wall, roedd. But you could actually just leave the R out and just say oiv. Oiv 3 ferret. Yeah.
See, this is where Caroline's flying ahead because she's asking how to write that down, and I'm thinking, how do you cope with 3 ferrets?
So cofiwch, os ydych chi eisiau, take a photo of those. They're all there, they're all in the bottom of the
I take a photo of that every day.
Right, da iawn. Okay, now, be dyn ni'n mynd i wneud now? That was just something on eisiau wneud, achos you've been asking me about how do I say I've got, he's got, she's got, ac on the blaen, yeah? Okay. So now, be dyn ni'n mynd i wneud? Dyn ni'n mynd 2 grŵp o 4, yeah? And I'm going to split you up into different groups today, again.
Can you put this with those who are moving on together and those who are falling back together? Right, don't get me. Because, you know, I feel I'm being held back.
Moving on.
I'm moving on. Absolutely.
I want to
continue.
I'm going to put you on 2
I see what you're saying.
Yeah.
Okay, right. Now, tudalen 3,
I
tudalen
just be
4.
on my own.
It'd just be 2 groups.
You got, guys, and me.
So, okay, do you mean aber. So, aber. Okay, aber. So, felly, ar eich traed, so chyna ar eich traed.
You're per.
And at a try.
You're per. You
Oh, I thought you said but.
Ar eich traed. Okay, pobl a fan hyn.
I've got really bad ADHD today.
So you all got me.
Right, so, os ydych chi eisiau... You may want to... Dim files. But you can have... Os ydych chi eisiau, you can have 1 copy Saesneg of those pages, yeah? So, 1 am yn y to. That's tudalen 3. Right, gyda chi, let's bring that bwrdd draw.
So masculine too.
Yeah. Dewch ar bwrdd yna draw fan hyn.
Oh, it's going to be the
Tom's
same
going
thing.
wide.
Is it? Okay.
Well, in that case, you want to sit down, don't we?
Yeah, we want to sit there.
You want to
Yeah.
sit down.
Can we get chairs?
Yeah. Gowch cadeirio o gwmpas ystod. So, 1 ar y tro, 1 page at a time, 1 ar y tro. Okay, so tudalen 3. Tudalen 3 I ddechrau. A wedyn tudalen 4.
Are we all right here for you guys? So we go a long ways.
Oh, is that start?
Derek back to move. No, we're just going to go sideways for the...
No.
Like that? Yeah, look at the Okay, cool. Come on.
Come on, Chris, what was the plan again?
Yeah, Chris is the box and goes out.
So basically, we just put them all out randomly, didn't we?
We spread them all out randomly, didn't we?
Don't forget,
Everyone-
there's a funny end on
William
here.
set them up.
Because
So King Kyle.
I'm upside down now. Purple.
Okay.
So
So
I might need to go down here.
yeah.
Mark!
Who's?
Mark! Mark!
No, so clearly kill hwnna.
He's good. She switched right down that one.
Spread them out. Gwasgaru nhw.
Spread them all out.
Look, they're cleaning it up.
Check where they were in relation to this, didn't we? And then we concentrated on a verse each, didn't we?
I don't give a shit anymore.
Did we concentrate on a verse each?
After we'd spread them roughly into
But
the
you would then
order.
read them out to us. You go, yeah.
Keyword.
You were checking them all.
Keywords. I'll take that
It doesn't look
middle
like it's a race anyway, so...
I'll take that one. Oh, it's not a race, so we
It
just do
doesn't look
them.
like, it looks like we just got all the
Okay.
time in the world.
But not everyone in the forest. So,
Is it a race?
And a Godwig,
there we are, I'm a forest, I'm a godreg.
and a Godwig.
Where's the stars? And the...
Oh, Ben, I'm doing this verse here, okay? Not everyone in the forest. Kelly.
What am I doing?
All of it, any of it.
Cariad Iaith.
I'm doing that verse there at the moment.
Gently smiling, it's Gwenny. With
Good, that's
Gwenny.
it. Keyword.
There we are.
Everyone, pal.
A Seddon's down here.
Do pawb yn nhw?
Gwenny Dirion is smiling then, yeah?
Gwenny Dirion smiling, yeah.
Okay, so where's the everyone? Not everyone in the pub.
Pawb yn popeth. Pawb yn popeth.
There's Dim and Gwenny.
What's that one saying?
Dim.
You got
Gwenny.
it. He's got it.
Not smiling.
Where's the other?
Not everyone in the forest is smiling.
Where's the other Goidwig, boys? We need another Goidwig here.
Here's a Godwig.
Smiling. Where's the
There's
Gwenny?
the
Where's that
Goidwig.
Gwenny gone?
There, Dim and Gwenny.
Yeah, but not everyone in the forest is smiling, and then we also want not everyone in the forest is very happy.
I need another
That's that one
Gwenny.
there. That's that for. Am I right? Is
Where's
that
the
that
other
for?
Gwenny? Ah,
There's
there.
another Gwenny there.
Sure, as we've done sort of roughly half, should we go through this top half
Yeah.
and nail it? So
Yeah.
it's a clear white moonlit night.
Yes, I know that one.
Gwen.
'Cause I did that one as my learning thing.
Moon and
My slider
stars,
says, yeah, moon and the stars.
gently smiling.
On
Gwenny
everyone.
Dirion,
Dirion,
yeah. Everyone and everything
Perfect.
in the forest, done.
That's that one done. I think that's the next one. Tell me what you think.
Okay.
Ond, di pawb yn y goedweg ddim
Dim and Gwenny, perfect.
Di pawb yn
Dyw
Goidwig.
pawb yn y goedweg
Dim and gwbl hapus.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Ddim yn gwbl hapus. Dwi ddim yn hapus, meddai Dewi'r drenol dedwyr.
Excellent.
Good.
Hob bore.
Bore,
Bob bore,
trio,
pan dwi'n trio
cysgu,
cysgu mewn am ychydig.
am chydig. I get woken up.
That's coming.
That's Imbri and Prickly.
I guess woken up. So to get something is
Underneath that one.
Nephro.
Defro becomes Dwm Kyle and Defro. I get myself woken up. Yeah.
Cariad Iaith.
Sound of very loud music. From the far
Far end
end.
of the forest. So Ben Draw and the
Pen in
Goidwig.
it, wasn't it?
Or Boundale Goidwig.
Dwi ddim yn gallu.
Dwi ddim yn gallu.
Ddim yn gallu.
Let's go back to sleep. Cysgu.
Gysgu wedyn.
And to tell the truth,
Dweud y
To
dwi.
tell the
Dweud
truth,
gwir.
is it Beth Dweud y gwir?
Dwi'n gwneud.
Gwneud me.
Not everyone in the forest is entirely happy.
That might be that one. Let's have a look. It's Goidwig there. Goidwig. Oh, and
Not everyone in the forest is, again, it's pawb or something like that.
and
I think
Goidwig
it's
is that
that one,
I think
because
that
it's
one.
an dwi, which means
Oh yeah, there it is.
I'm not.
That's it, exactly it. Well done, guys.
Which one now? There, just happy.
I'm not happy. Dydw i ddim yn hapus.
You need to win.
There's two of these, so we need to check that it's not.
Said Dewey.
Who's this? So Dewey, this one here, said the hedgehog. every morning. Bob, Bora.
Yeah, Bob Bora.
When I
No, I
try.
try. That's what. Yeah, every morning when I try. Yeah.
Yeah.
Bob Bora trio.
I sleep for a while.
Nos.
Is it gysgu wedyn? Mynd nôl gysgu wedyn? Is it that
Yes.
Nesa ydi next.
Or there's Cysgu and
So,
Nagyw.
nagyw.
Cytunedd pawb.
O, da iawn. Right,
No, agreed everything.
dyma ni. Right, so cymysgwch rhain i ddechrau. Cymysgwch nhw.
Speech.
Yeah.
Small one, this, isn't it?
Yeah, see, because you do lines
Yeah.
and sing songs and stuff.
Yeah.
I wonder if that gives you...
Bend
Yeah,
it.
well, yeah,
I
it's,
think it helps.
you have if you have a sequential
I
memory.
can't, but it means I can't actually can't come out
Well,
very
no,
organically.
on eto gyd yn aml iawn, that's the starting point.
Yeah.
Can we just look what the first line is in English?
So we haven't finished.
A dwi ddim yn hapus meddwl ei ddewch yn bob o'r pan yw'n trio cysgu mewn am cydig. I get woken up.
Yeah.
So, bob o'r pan yw'n trio cysgu mewn am chydig, I get woken up.
No, because it's agreed. No.
So it has to be...
Right, that's don't, is it? That's.
Yeah, so it's not the ddim.
Gysgu wedyn.
Yeah, if
Oh,
it...
def.
Yeah, defro, which is slight mutation.
Neffrol.
Yeah?
Neffro.
So, dwi'n cael y neffro. I get myself woken up. Dwi'n cael y neffro, suddenly.
Yes.
Yn sydyn. Okay.
This one.
Yes.
Yeah.
Gan sŵn cerddau
Right, all bent out goedwig, da iawn. Okay, the next sentence.
Dydw I ddim, I can't. No. What is it?
I
And
can.
I can't.
A dwi
I
ddim...
da, that's it.
A dwi ddim yn gallu, so gallu is to be able to. So I'm not able... That's right. I'm not able to.
Because that was her just going,
Go back to sleep.
So to go.
tell me one.
Make this gysgu, this one. Mynd
Yeah.
nôl, to go, mynd.
I was asleep.
Go back to sleep, is that it?
And chanlio.
Chanyo.
Which line are we on?
Go back to sleep. Wedyn. I think that's
Dwi,
good.
there you go. Dwi the gear, is to tell the truth.
It makes is
Photographic memory.
That's because that's the bit I was saying to the wall with Nia.
Well,
Is that what you know?
Yeah.
Mewn gwirionedd, it's quite spooky. I've seen people do this mewn gwirionedd, and the next thing we'll do with it is quite spooky. So I might probably just look at it and I think, there's something I have there where sentences are cut up in individual words. And there's a couple of points, and they need to put the word in there. And I think, which word goes in there? And their hand is hovering over the word because the subconscious knows it's there. And they don't consciously know, and then they look. And it's there. So your subconscious gets there before your conscious mind does. So da iawn! Ar record.
Magic. Magic.
Hidol.
Hidol D.
Oh, hidol is magic and adjective. So on heed D.
Yeah, that was class.
So, pawb yn hapus gyda hynny?
That was class.
Yeah.
The thing is, can I look at it in English now because I didn't...
Okay.
That went so quick to me, I don't know if I...
Why do we all have a go at
I'll do hynny ddim
But I know the one I did earlier.
Want to do this one?
Can I just look at it in English first?
Yeah.
Okay. So, no, not at all agreed, Edwin. Then there's Pappy's quiet, I'm not happy either. Dead angry with the big fucking thing. Bob Bora and trio, I try. Cysgu's going to be sleeping somewhere. Well, where's Cysgu now? Cysgu, yeah? Neffro will not be sudden. Fatal.
Right, so then you should just write poos, yeah?
Okay. All right, okay, I'll have a go, yeah.
Okay, now write poos.
Chris, you want to go next?
Yeah?
No, you go. You're on a roll.
I reckon.
You're in the zone.
So here we go, let's go.
These out like that.
And that's not like me.
I think that.
Yeah.
Nagyw.
That's.
Yeah, so that's...
Not at all.
Not at all.
Not at all. Yeah.
Yeah?
No.
Everybody agreed.
It's not like me.
You don't need it.
So everybody in Gymraeg.
Pawb.
Pawb.
Yeah. So cytunodd agreed everybody.
Google. Oh, yeah. Says everybody.
What about that top line there?
It's on the first page.
Oh, that's what I was saying.
It moved on.
Yeah.
One.
Oh, that's why we were going on.
Yeah.
Wel ddim hapus either.
Arse, that's it. Arse. So is it anything with arse?
The big gentle bear.
Every morning I try. Trio.
Trio.
Yeah.
Cysgu mewn.
To sleep for a while. Sleep.
Could it be this one?
Yeah.
It's not the word cysgu, is it?
Cysgu's to sleep, yeah?
Cysgu to sleep. And when I, every morning, so, I get woken up. Nethro, woken up.
Yeah.
Suddenly, yeah.
Scraping crafty.
Crafu. Crafu. Of metal.
And the smell of terrible burning. Frosky. Smell.
Something's not happy about it, and I'm not happy either. No.
You just have to do that.
Oh. And sudden go on, there's a scraping of metal.
Oh, and that's the other way around too.
So that'd be in other words,
No, it's all right. It's all because it'll
there's a
make
scraping of metal and a reggae of bidro, what's that then?
ranting and raving, swearing,
A good losky did from,
and the smell of terrible burning.
or bend down by the other end of the forest. I went at the far end of the forest.
Yeah, what you did.
I suppose you might be good at
Ewch i'r paned o de, dim siwgr, just...
There's some traps on Derek.
Mawr, lots, I don't know, by where?
No, just normal. Right, okay. So chi eisiau mynd i gael paned o de, disgwyl o de, right, yna, a dod o fe nôl fan hyn, another activity for you, okay? So chi eisiau mynd, if you want to carry on doing that, yeah?
Projection rod.
Yeah, go on.
And what are we doing now?
I've got another activity. Yeah.
So we stop activity or we...
No, we get the tea and all. Yeah.
Okay, I'll get us tea and coffee then.
Oh, yeah, thanks.
Tea?
Paned o goffi os gwneud yn da.
Looking at.
Gyda
Paned o disgled. Paned o disgled, you can say.
Dim sugar.
dim sugar coffee,
Or sugar.
dau sugar te,
Backlight.
backlight little bit, or coffee or
There.
te.
Dau sugar.
Dau sugar, just dau sugar.
Dau sugar te, bach sugar te,
And
dim
llaeth.
sugar coffee. Llaeth. Llaeth, popeth, everything, pawb.
Yeah.
Pawb off, llaeth.
Pawb yn cael llaeth?
Pawb yn cael llaeth? Yeah.
Okay.
Sugar.
Sugar?
Sugar.
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 Because it's spelled S-I-W, and you're going as sug, but it's different. It's sug.
Let's get the opportunity.
Mae hynny'n iawn. Mae hynny'n iawn.
Tea for the team.
Fel mae'n dod.
We can just get the sun in, can't we?
Any other teas?
And
Dyma ni.
something like that.
Dyma chi.
Scratching metal.
Okay, you want to keep your hugs afterwards.
Switching
Dyma
round.
chi. Nawr ten, beth ydyn mynd i wneud?
That doesn't matter. It still makes sense.
Yeah, because and's doing and.
I'm spotting sugar.
Wel, dyma ni.
That's how to do it, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's just starting to come a little bit, you know?
Be ydyn ni'n neud nawr? This is
Do you want to do
tipyn
it?
bach yn wahanol. So be ydyn ni'n neud?
How do you do Blakey?
Maybe one or maybe on the side of the sentence. So be ydyn ni'n neud?
You gotta do it as well. What's going on here? I don't like this, you're not taking a mick of me. This is just how I normally look, Connor Steve. Okay.
Right.
Go on, then have a go. All right, they will.
Do we want the pages out?
All right, but...
No.
All right, then,
For
thanks.
now, you just, for now...
No looking.
Because you don't know what it is.
What about the English translation?
Ah. So, well, if well, you can look at the English translation at the diwedd, at the end, right?
Oh, we're going to kill this one. Here we go.
I'm not happy.
I'm not with it.
Yeah.
Said the bear. Every morning, I try and
When I try and...
sleep, I'm woken up
Yeah.
Weddy.
suddenly
For ready then?
by the. She's definitely woken up by the sound of the scraping
Yeah,
on the
okay, we'll
metal,
put that first then.
and also the smell of burnt
Gwers.
Yeah, terrible burning. Which is Baserio.
So we have another exercise, by the way.
Or at the end of the forest, or Ben Drog Godwig.
End of the forest.
And
A lot of it's memory.
not at all.
Yeah,
Not
I can remember them.
Nac yw ddim o gwbl.
Yeah, because that actually comes at the top. Because the previous page, that's not like me. No,
Where's the thing that's going gochlid though?
not at all.
My
And then
handwriting and
Everybody
at
agreed,
something.
everybody.
Agreed, everybody, yeah.
So
Says
a bit
my-
right order, but...
No, again, my
Oh, there it is.
Yeah.
Okay, right, gwnewch hwnna na.
Yeah, we're looking for a
Can you
at the
bring
moment now.
even hyn?
Sorry, further down.
Yeah, fel bod pawb yn gallu gweld. Which yeah.
It's an R, isn't it?
There could be two sentences here. There could be.
Oh.
It could be, because depending on the size of the sentence.
The sun has set.
How is the machlid?
Slipping is that.
It could be two sentences.
Hang on, where's Sen? Where's Sen? Exactly where's Sen?
Okay, so...
How are you matted?
And reddish.
Yeah.
Got a groon and
Symud
reddish.
hon.
And something is slipping now then.
They're the same thing.
It's all the little words again,
Ac yn gochled.
Rúnach yn gochled.
This is hardest, guys. Look at these ones.
Right, okay. Well, how are the machlid? Now, if you've got ungochlid, so what would be there? Same pattern?
Mair.
No, mae'r hair wedi machlid.
Yn gochled.
Gron ac yn gochlid. Gron ac yn gochlid. Before. Before. Beth ydi before? What's first?
Wedyn.
What's first?
Dechrau.
Dechrau is to start, beth ydi first?
Cynta.
Cyntaf, so what's before? Something similar.
Cyn.
Cyn.
Oh, well done.
Cyn llithro, apostrophe something.
Llithro.
That's right, that's one word, I think.
Leisurely.
Do we, is it something to eat?
Yn.
I can't or something.
Do we
Dwi
gysgu?
ddim, just in bold.
Dwi ddim...
Gallu.
I can't.
That's the only thing.
It ends in a vowel.
N.
Llithro.
Right, so you notice here that when you have adjective before, so these are adverbs actually. So slipping is so the sun sets roundly and reddishly. Before slipping leisurely. So you've got this in front of each time. Yeah. Get lift on hanfennol, and where's it slipping to?
Into
The west.
Yeah, into the west. So where's west?
Orllewinol.
Right, okay.
Westerly le.
Le, so what's the word for le?
Wow.
Wow. Two its.
to. Because it'd be to go, as in mynd.
Yeah, mynd is to go, but to, but just the word to.
Just to.
If you're going to Machynlleth, dwi'n mynd.
No. Yn.
And is in.
No.
No is back.
That's
Mynd.
Mynd is to go.
What's that?
Gysgu?
In.
No.
Mai. Yn. Gallu. No, we don't know. What's gallu? To come.
Gallu to be able.
To be able, that's right, to be able. Wedyn.
So you do the word for to, like to. Let's go. To. E.
Oh. Oh, well, we have learned something new, haven't we?
E.
Well.
And I'll give you a little help here, hefyd. It's to, it's. Yw wal allwynol. So now then, mae'r haul wedi machled. Yeah, the sun has set. Yn grwn.
Round.
Roundishly. Ac yn gochlyd.
Reddish.
Cyn llithro.
Slipping.
Slipping.
Leisurely slipping.
Yeah. Yw to its.
Westerly le.
Da iawn. So mae hwnna yn iawn. So, okay. So now you've got another sentence there. Un arall hwnna. So you need to...
So, we've got, the words we've got here is to go.
So, are you...
To sleep.
To sleep.
Before going to sleep.
Does it make sense in the story?
Before going to sleep at night, this is before. Before.
Dwi
And you've got to use your common sense.
Sleep now.
What does gallu mean?
To be able. To be able.
I was not able at the end, no, to mynd I
Go.
You're actually very close here. Now, edrychwch ar hyn. Look at the pattern. Mae'r haul wedi machu, the sun has set. Now look here. Yn grwn. So yn gochlyd. Ac yn gochlyd. So it should be, yeah, what comes before grwn? Yn grwn, because that's beginning of another sentence, so you need, yeah.
And gochlyd reddish, but what grun round?
Round and reddish, okay. Mae'r haul wedi machu, the sun has set, yn grwn ac yn gochlyd, roundly and reddishly. Cyn llithro'n hamferol before slipping leisurely, yw wal o'r llwynog to its westerly le. So, right, that sentence is iawn. Felly hwn nawr. So it starts off with, what's the first? And.
I can't.
Dwi ddim, what goes in there?
Gysgu.
Gysgu.
Ddim yn gallu. Not to sleep. I can't.
Go to sleep.
Before.
Yeah, dwi ddim yn gallu mynd.
I gysgu nôl wedyn.
What does nôl mean?
Before.
Na, be di nôl?
End, whole,
No.
bottom.
Yn ôl.
And nôl is back.
Afterwards.
Back.
Wedyn.
Penol, but nôl, if I say, okay, nôl, so come on, ddech chi symud nôl, smyddwch nôl, back. So I can't go.
Nôl gysgu wedyn.
Can't go back to sleep.
You can't go back to sleep after we've heard the noise, is this?
Yeah. So to go back to sleep. Mynd.
Back.
Mynd.
Nôl.
I gysgu. Arferchol.
Go back.
Yeah.
Mynd nôl
Nôl I gysgu. Mynd nôl I gysgu. Go back to sleep. So, a dwi ddim yn gallu, and I'm not able, I can't. Mynd nôl, go back to sleep afterwards.
after. Wedyn.
Arferchol.
Welai wedyn.
Go.
You're learning, cannot you improve.
Yeah, let's give them wine tasting before the
The big
hardest
hard
lesson.
lesson. And the fish and chips probably didn't help me either.
Oh, they're good.
Well, I had sausage and batter and chips and curry sauce.
Oh,
With loads
so
of
Welsh.
salt and vinegar.
So Welsh, can I just say we have to have it wet? The Welsh. Whenever I get chips, I go, well, there's got to be something with it. We've got gravy or curry sauce. We have to have it wet. Really disappointed there's not something with it.
Well,
I'm
yeah,
shocked
well.
that when you go to Scotland, you have salt and sauce.
Yeah,
You don't have salt and vinegar. It's like liquidy, diluted brown sauce.
Have you ever had deep fried Mars bar?
I have once, yeah.
I was high as a kite for about 20 minutes and then I went,
Yeah.
You just feel like death after.
it was like an orgasm.
Was it really?
Yeah, oh my god,
I've never had
amazing to
it.
eat.
Cyfarfod is
The chairman of the meeting. Cariad Iaith.
Let's get the big ones
Put the big
together.
words and
Can we
then...
swap places?
Are you answerable?
Just for this one.
Yeah.
Because
you're storming it.
Yeah.
And I can't handle
Yeah.
reading it upside down.
Yeah, no, it's fine. You're
Getting-
quite good reading upside down.
I'm not helping.
Ganghennau. Dderwyn.
Llanach.
What's your favourite?
Find it. And meddai said somebody who's Anwen. Said Anwen the...
There's a Dewey hapus thing, isn't there, somewhere? Dewey ddim yn hapus.
Anwen the Iaith.
Unhapus.
Ac yn Eistedd.
Why is that meddai so little like
sitting-
that? It doesn't look right to me now. Do you mean, shouldn't we just be looking for big ones? Meddai fawr?
Eistedd.
Anwyn Fawr, is it? My Anwyn Fawr said.
Ganghennau.
Anwyn
Dderwyn.
Fawr.
Fawr.
Addfoen.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Well, meddai said there's got to be at the front of it, doesn't it? Meddai Anwen nath fawr.
Doeth.
Addfoen, yes.
There, my meddai.
Gwydion.
No, I've never seen a meddai before meddai. I've always just seen meddai.
Yeah.
Somebody...
So what comes before a meddai is something in
It's a...
Speech mark.
Yeah, inverted commas.
So we need to look for something in that before.
That's the end then. Something.
Na, mae hwn iawn.
There. Dwi ddim yn
Dwi
hapus.
ddim yn hapus chwaith.
Either.
I'm not happy either.
No, this
No,
goes
this at the
afterwards.
top.
That's it.
Ddim yn hapus.
Either. Meddai anwy'n ath fawr a ddwyn.
Is that one right? Is that right, do you reckon?
Go on,
How can
Evelyn.
I say
Eistedd.
something
Do it
needs
for
to
me.
be there?
Yeah.
Do it.
On.
Be di on. Be di on yn Gymraeg.
Joining in.
It's not village, it's...
Is it glade?
Is it say?
Is that branch?
Yes.
Sit. Anwen.
So that goes a good
They've
hill,
got that
doesn't
right.
it? Oh, Derwen, is
Oh,
that?
Derwyn, yeah, so it's back, it's down, yeah.
Village is Flam.
Ymestyn, what's that? Come together?
Stretch. Come together. Stretch, that's it.
I get it. I get it.
Joining
mate.
in. I was bigging you up then, live on TV.
I just messed up.
No, I just want to...
I get Ymestyn stretch. I get... What's the other one?
Which is...
I'm guessing.
What does the branch do? It.
Seen
Stretches.
Mestyn.
Ymestyn. Yeah.
Dros.
Dros.
Fanner.
Yeah.
Sounds good to me.
No, I think it's something like that.
No, it's that, isn't it?
Llanell, da iawn. So it's front of the consonant and the front of the vowel. Yeah, da iawn. That's the llanell. Now we have the is.
Said.
Doeth.
No, is.
My.
So who is that?
Gwydion y goody who.
And what
I think he kind of...
kind of a
Doeth.
who is he? Yeah,
Well, he's the Cariad.
Wise.
yeah.
Doeth.
And then, so, yeah.
Cadeirydd.
Yeah. Cyfarfod, you've got
Chair of the Cyfarfod Council...
Where's that message from?
Right, okay. So
What's Cyfarfod now? Meeting?
Cyfarfod meeting.
Meeting.
Goes there, doesn't it?
Okay, dear.
Na.
Okay, dear.
Has to be a vowel, isn't it?
Cadeirydd.
Ac yn eistedd and sitting are on un o gynghennau ddyrnfawr on one of the branches of the big oak tree, sy'n ymestyn, which extends dros y llanach,
Over the...
Over the glade.
mae Gwydion y Gwdi Hwdoeth is
Gideon, the wise old owl. Chair of the meeting.
Chairman of
The meeting.
the meeting. That's the way you do it in Gymraeg. Like you say, if you,
A chairman then, is it?
no. No, because in Cymraeg, if you want to say the chairman of the meeting, what you say is chairman the meeting. If you want to say, have you seen these signs which says like centre of town? Canol Dre. Top of the mountain, Pen Mynydd. The bottom of the hill, Gwaelod Garth, and so on. So that's the word order. So you've got Cadeirydd Cyfarfod. Cadeirydd Cyfarfod.
Chairman of meeting.
Chairman of, the of is understood, the meeting. So dwi ddim yn hapus quite. Meddai Anwen.
Said Anne.
She's the.
And there's a Y because there's next to it.
Big bear.
You've got to have
Big
the
gentle
R
bear.
because it starts with a vowel. Da iawn. Ardderchog. So, right, da iawn, ydych chi'n barod. Unrhyw gwestiwn? Ydych chi'n barod i fynd ymlaen I ryw tri?
There's another one.
Sitting on the tree.
Right, so dyma.
Dyma tree.
So you put that back in fanna, yeah? Right, sut mae hwn yn dod, rwan te? Dwi ddim yn hapus chwaith, meddai Anwen.
I
She's
can't mix
the
it.
bear. But it starts with a vowel. So you can't have...
You gotta have...
It's arf, meddai Anwen. So, yeah, na te. So, dyma ni. Symud hynna. Oops, sorry. I'm out. So, dwi ddim yn hapus chwaith. Right, so
Yeah,
I'm
right.
I can't remember anything.
happy. Either.
Either.
Said. Anwen. The gentle bear.
Gentle big bear.
So now we need to start a new sentence here.
Yeah.
So we move that out of forth.
Gwydion. Something goody who. Gwydion then.
But edrychwch.
I don't know whether this is the beginning.
Yeah, Gwydion, the goody who. Yes, goody who died. Gwydion, right. So ac.
Is and.
Sit
Sitting on the branch.
Beth ydy'r ing? What's the ing? If you say, I am living, I live, you...
In.
It's not in, it's the close. It's not in, it's...
Un.
Oh, see, I knew it was in, but I thought it was spelled like that.
Yeah, but you, I told you were close, very close, yeah. So, ac yn eistedd...
You get it.
Yeah, ac yn eistedd. So, where is he sitting? He's sitting...
They separate us if we were in school together.
Naughty at the back of the class.
Right, ac yn eistedd on.
On.
What's on?
Dros? No.
Dros is over.
An.
No, that's in. That's in. That means one. Ar. Ac yn eistedd ar one. Un. Of. Be the of yn Gymraeg. Two of children. O. Right, so the same pattern. One of branches. Ac yn eistedd ar un o ganghenau'r, the branches of what? Derwen. And what kind of a derwen? Is it small? Is it big? Is it old? Is it Fawr. And it is...
I know Fawr.
Yeah. So it is the...
Fach and Fawr.
Yeah.
Big and small, yeah?
Yeah. No, but you can't have apostrophe
Get it?
So...
Mai.
Ac un o you should be able to... put that in here. Un o ganghenau'r derwen fawr. Is... which extends. Which extends?
Oh, ymestyn.
Ymestyn.
So is that extends, a mestyn?
Ymestyn. I think mess sounds like stretch. It's the same vowel sound. Stretch. Ymestyn.
Smash.
Yeah. So, mestyn.
Into the...
Yeah, over the
glade.
Over the glade. Over.
Dros.
The glade. Yeah.
Well, yeah.
You notice what is happening here, I do agree, is it happens all the time when problem grading, is that very often their hands move to the words before their brain does, because subconsciously you know it's there, and so your hands, I've seen people, they're looking for a word and they go, where's that word, and it's hovering over, the fingers are hovering over, because it's like when somebody throws a ball, your brain already, you automatically go to there to catch the ball before you consciously do it. Your body is going there. So it's the same thing here, it's like catching a ball. So your subconscious is going there, because your fingers have been hovering over all these words here before you actually look at them.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So now, yn ymestyn dros y llanell, is. Let's have a look, words. Is.
That's meant to say something about a mile.
No?
Yeah, da iawn, sy'n ymestyn. So which...
Oh, I see.
So ac yn eistedd ar un o gynghennau, sitting on one of the branches of the big oak. Sy'n ymestyn, which stretches over the glade. Is. My. Gwydion y gwdi hwdoeth, yeah? Gwydion the, why? Gwydion the. So Gwydion the, Gwydion? Right? Gwydion the.
Goody.
No,
you're right.
Oh, sorry.
My Gwydion the. Yeah. Gwdi hw and his wise, doeth.
Wise.
And you should have another here somewhere.
Maybe it's in the packet, is it?
Could be, is it? Okay. Ac yn eistedd ar un o gynghennau'r sy'n ymestyn dros y llanell, mae Gwydion y gwdi hwdoeth cadeirydd y cyfarfod. Could well have dropped. Yeah, so but there is cadeirydd y cyfarfod, there's an there's an no. Eistedd ar un o gynghennau'r darfan fawr.
What's this?
Sy'n ymestyn chairman. Sy'n ymestyn dros y llanell.
Chairman of the meeting. Let's have the meeting.
Gwdi hwdoedd cadeirydd y cyfarfod. Yeah, so there's another there. Wedi mynd ar gol. Okay, da iawn. A ddechrau chi'n barod i symud ymlaen i rif 3.
Now I'm going to have just individual letters.
Make a word. Any word.
Yeah.
We'll just put lots of G's and double L's in it. It'll sound well.
Okay, go for that. Right, ffwrdd chi.
Try it. Something to go back a little bit more sleep. Milk?
In A, that's in A.
It's gone.
Spark me up. Right down the mouth.
I think this is like decaf coffee.
Yeah, I am.
I think it's what in the coffee?
Decaf coffee.
I get...
It's disgusting.
So,
These rainwater
Dechrau
to
fan
make
hyn.
it.
Bob bore.
Trio, try.
Wen. Byddi wen. Pan.
Oh, God. Help
Bob bore.
us.
Pan.
To wake up.
And say get to sleep. It's not get to sleep. When I try to just sleep.
Cysgu.
On the first.
Cysgu. Cysgu.
Oh, here we go. This is for you.
Forest.
I mewn.
These are the ones I know.
You can do.
I know that word. You've just told me that.
I mewn.
Cheating.
Dewch I mewn.
What is that again?
Come in.
Wake up.
Wake up.
Wake
Never
up.
remember
Mine's
that.
also in the heaven, okay.
Forest.
Bob bore.
This one, guys?
Yeah, cysgu
Chairman.
I mewn.
I think that's-
For
is
a
that
little while,
music?
we've got the chydig.
Oh, no, it's music. Yeah,
Terrible
sorry.
music.
So bob bore, pan
Oh,
dwi'n
Madw,
trio cysgu I
terrible.
mewn.
What's Ben mean?
For.
Off.
Pen, maybe
no.
it's Ben. Pen?
Yes.
Am a chydig.
It is.
Yn sydyn, suddenly, I get...
That is going through me, that is. That coffee.
So dwi'n...
God.
Cael... And I get... A neffro. Dwi'n cael y neffro. Gan sŵn cyforiaeth uchel.
No, it's in. I feel a little bit.
This is in the first.
Definitely.
I know this is in the first line, isn't it?
From the far end
Do you want to bring
of
those ones down a bit? Down here a bit, isn't
I'm
it?
not tired.
Ben draw, but from or ben
boring.
draw'r goedwig. So this is superfluous.
Oh,
So
it's a little cheeky.
No.
What's that here? Must be Maheen.
It is
By
feminine. isn't it?
hyn, so there must be an apostrophe N. So, mae hi'n noson fwyn o be hefyd. Bob bore pan dwi'n, there should be an N, apostrophe N here somewhere. Dwi'n cael...
Maybe it's in the packet.
Could well be, iawn. Rhyw tri sy'n gyda chi, ie? Mae hi'n noson fwyn o be hefyd.
So it's
a mild...
evening mild of June.
Yeah. So, bob bore,
Every morning
Pan dwi'n
when
trio,
I try
cysgu
to go to
mewn.
sleep.
No, sleep in, not go to sleep, just sleep in.
Cysgu mewn. That's what it means.
Yeah.
Cysgu mewn.
Am ychydig.
A little bit.
Yeah. Yn sydyn,
Suddenly,
dwi'n cael y neffro.
woken up.
I get woken up.
I get woken up
Gan,
by
sŵn cyforiaeth uchel ofnadwy.
sound of singing
Sound of
loud.
awfully loud
Singing.
music.
Uchel.
Music. So, uchel
Music. Can you sing
cyforiaeth music. And where's this music come from?
O
Ben
Draw'r
Goedwig, from the other end of the forest. Yeah, okay, no letter. Right, no letter.
Oh my God, there's more.
Just tu bach, yeah? Okay, go on to, yeah, okay.
Good. Da iawn. Well done, table.
Okay, rhyw pedwar.
What's table?
Bwrdd.
Borough, of course.
Yeah, bwrdd.
Hwrdd y bwrdd.
Or the book. Dan a
Da iawn.
book.
Dan y bwrdd.
Ar a book.
And my head is really hurting now.
Like your head.
It's an
It's like I've
intense...
got
Oh, yeah.
I really feel like my brain is doing something it's not done ever.
Okay, for the thing.
Trigolion! There you are, cheer you up.
There we go.
Yeah, it's coming down to individual words now, isn't it? That really make our day.
That's the bottom line, isn't it?
Yeah.
From the far end of the forest, isn't it?
I tell you what, we got... right, wait now. Sibrwd not star. So let's get Sibrwd not star done. I know what that means. Whispers, good night.
Suddenly, I get...
Oh God, this is a long one.
Swatcho.
Here they are.
Difodd y golau. Can it come?
That's the end. Now stare. Bore i'r... Until morning something comes to the valley. Bore...
Nes, before king is before. Nes daw, nes.
Until it is. Now... Nes da bore.
Nes, that until.
Bydd trigolion y llan.
That's it. It's in a different sentence, I think. Nes da bore. Da bore?
Huh?
Da bore?
Nes dawr bore.
Dawr bore. Dawr.
Dawr bore.
Until... the morning, nes dawr bore.
So, bydd trigolion y llan.
Cloido's roosting, isn't it?
Bydd trigolion y llan, they will be roosting. So the ing.
Cwydo yn y man.
Yn clwydo yn y man.
Yn cwydo. Yn y man.
Clwydo yn. Clwydo yn.
Cwydo yn.
My bed.
Just Clwydo yn y man. And then...
Ac yn cloi yn drysau. Cloi yn drysau?
Ei, there doors.
Yn cloi
ei drysau. Ac yn diffodd y golau.
Wedi hirdydd ha.
Ha.
Cyn swatio'n glid.
Before.
Cyn swatio'n glid.
Cyn swatio y glid ac yn...
Yn sibrwd nos da?
Spring. So they just sibrwd nos da. And sibrwd nos da.
Sibrwd nos da.
A sibrwd nos da?
Yeah.
Cysgu.
Yn cysgu.
Well, hefo hwn, there's a rhyme of it, so you should be able to help i chi.
Cyn swatio'n glid a sibrwd nos... a chysgu. Is it ei chysgu?
Something drum. Yn cysgu yn drum.
Yeah.
Cysgu yn drum. Nes dawr bore i'r cwm.
Yeah.
Sibrwd nos da.
A te, dechrau, so, bydd trigolion y llan.
All of the
inhabitants of the village. Yn clwydo yn y man.
Roosting.
Well, roosting will go to bed. Yn on. Before long, yn y man. Yn cloi I drysau.
Shut the doors.
Lock the doors ac yn diffodd y golau.
Turn off the lights.
What else?
Long day after.
Yeah, but look at the way it rhymes. And sibrwd nos da. So they whisper.
Nos da.
Nos da.
Nestling.
Yeah, they whisper nos da.
Wedi hirdydd.
After
A long sunny day. Cyn swatio'n glid before snuggling. What? Nestling slugly. Yes.
A trwy'r ar y hyd.
Glid.
Glid is snug. Yeah, so to nestle snugly. Yeah. Trwy'r nos. Trwy'r nos ar ei.
ar ei hyd.
Ar ei
Hyd.
This flying in.
A chysgu'n drwm nes dawr bore i'r cwm. Okay, let's go this again. Dy pysgwyd ar llygod.
A morgrug.
A ffeiri'r gwywelod. Morgrug, yeah. The. And the. So you've got lots of with apostrophes here. Ar adar. The. Slymod. A'i radar. Y geifr ar cacwn. The. Do it with it. The. We need.
Is it an Right. Oh, there's loads more. Yeah. Sorry,
Y pryfed.
Y pryfed.
Dwrgwn.
Dwrgwn.
And the.
And the.
Ar dwrgwn.
The.
And
the. The. Ar ceirw.
Ar ceirw. A llamas.
Oh yeah, it's actually the ceirw and the llamas and the. It's the.
Yn?
No? My. Oh no, ar ceirw. Oh no, sorry. Na ma hynny. Ar ceirw ar llamas. Who are wearing?
Gwisgo.
Gwisgon.
Gwisgon. Sy'n gwisgon. Pyjamas.
Their pyjamas.
Gwisgon.
Right, and lots more.
No, yes, I'm missing.
Okay, sy'n bron yna. So mae...
Can't do it.
You can.
Not this.
You can. You would
I'm out my depth, boys.
find some words in there that you know.
I'm out my depth. Sibru.
You know what that is, don't you?
No. But I forgot. Seriously.
Okay then, here we go. Ready?
Trigolion.
Residence.
See?
And whisper.
I forgot that.
Modrig ar adar, a symud ar adar, y geifr ar trachar. O ne falle bod hwnna. So y geifr ar cacwn, ar pryfed ar dwrgwn, y ceirw ar lamers. Sy'n gwisgoi, sy'n gwisgoi pyjamas llawer mwy. So dyn ni angen cael an R without a... Dyma ni, y ceirw ar lamers and fi lamers. Iawn. Mae'r anifeiliaid I gyd yno.
All
All the animals are there.
Y pysgod a'r llygod.
The fish and the mice.
A theiri'r gwerod.
Family of squirrels.
Y morgrig a'r adar.
Insects.
The ants and the birds. The bats and the radar. Geifr a'r cacwn.
Something of wasps.
The goats. A'r pryfed a'r dwrgwn. And
the insects.
And the otters. Y ceirw a'r lamers.
The goats and the lambs.
The deers and the lamers. Sy'n gwisgo pyjamas.
Who are wearing pyjamas.
Their pyjamas.
Llawer mwy.
Llawer mwy.
And not small.
Da iawn. Oce, paciwch hwnna I fyny. Sut mae hwnna'n dod? Dwi draw ydych chi. Okay, I'm going to give you another activity now.
Shake Steve's or?
Okay. Dyma ni. Dwi'n dod draw I helpu chi. Nawr, dwi'n dod draw I helpu chi. Dyma ti, gwywer.
Everyone's tired and subdued today.
Thank you.
Dwrgwn.
I like the dwrgwn.
Right, so now then, be ydych chi'n mynd I wneud, okay, you can find a quiet corner of the room, agos be ydych chi'n mynd I wneud...
You're not going to make me talk to an otter, are you? You're going to make me talk to an otter?
Dwrgwn.
Felly, be ydych chi'n mynd I wneud, be ydych chi'n mynd I wneud nawr, ydy, ydych chi'n mynd I gael rhywbeth fel 2-3 munud, ydych chi just yn mynd I siarad gyda nhw, dweud unrhyw beth sy'n top o'ch pen, just siarad Cymraeg gyda nhw, dweud fel, pnawn da, ti'n gallu dweud rhywbeth fel pnawn da, Caroline dwi'n byw yn rhywbeth, take anything, felly siarad,
I got to talk to you.
Say unrhyw beth yn Gymraeg, the only rule is,
Dwi'n siarad Cymraeg.
dim Saesneg, so ewch, spread out the tip
wouldn't
back.
know.
Yeah, mae o'n gwrando. So ewch, just tip rhywle, a ydych chi'n siarad Cymraeg, a dim ond Cymraeg, a dim Saesneg. Yeah? A just triwch gwybod, lle ydych chi'n gwthio Cymraeg allan. You said you wanted to push it a bit. So siarad Cymraeg, dim ond Cymraeg.
What's hardly pushing it, talking to a soft toy.
Yn Gymraeg, dim Saesneg. Dim Saesneg. Dim Saesneg.
Sorry, I don't want to insult you.
No, not bore da.
Bydd trigolion yn llan. Okay, now to.
Prynhawn da. Wywer.
Come on.
Y llan.
Really?
Will be going to sleep. Bydd trigolion.
He is cute.
Y llan. And something was on.
Hang on, what? What?
It just feels
You want to go
weird,
speak to the
doesn't it?
squirrel?
Funny.
Okay. Robert,
I'm used to this.
Speak to the squirrel.
So, I'll give you eistedd I lawr, Mr. Bishop. Gwch chi eistedd I lawr, just siarad Cymraeg. Iawn, siarad Cymraeg. Unrhyw floor, siarad Cymraeg.
Dwi.
You were captive audience there. Siarad Cymraeg. Right, ffwrdd chi.
Dysgu Cymraeg.
Na, ffwrdd chi.
Dwi'n cysgu Gymraeg. Dwi'n dod o Bari yn reiddiol. Dwi'n dod o Bari yn reiddiol. Dwi'n eisiau... Dwi'n eisiau mynd I siopa Machynlleth heddiw. Ddoe es I
Dwi wedi canu
rhedeg
yn Alves
through his penhole.
Yn y Dolgellau.
All right.
Talk about my say dwi'n, whatever.
Well, pronoun da. Dŵrgwn. Shmai.
Hello, Shmai.
Dwi'n flynedig
God, he likes the sound of his own voice, is up there. He's giving really long replies to my questions. Shut up, it's supposed to be an exercise for me. Right. Now te.
Are you speaking to Cariad Iaith?
Now te. Sut o'i ti? Iawn. Dwi... Trevor the otter. Yeah. So, now te. Dwi'n siarad Cymraeg yn y dosbarth heddiw. Okay. What? Beth? Oh. Right. Well, this is an exercise for me. Okay. So if you could just cai'ch a keg for un munud, os gwelwch yn dda. Right. Now, we're doing wedi bwyta a brecwast.
Beinia, dwi'n byw yn... Cnau? Wyt ti'n hoffi cnau? Ti'n hoffi cnau?
I just wish you would say something back.
Blino. Ti'n blino?
Heddiw, mae rhaid I fi siopa ym
Heddiw? Dwi ddim yfed gwyn. Heddiw, dwi mynd I Machynlleth ac Mafis? Strawberries. Mafis. And croeiriau. And eirin. Hoffi eirin? Ti'n hoffi eirin? Mae merch gyda ni. Merch gyda ni. Gyda I. Enw Flora.
Be ydych chi'n mynd I neud nawr ydy, mewn parau, right, so ydych chi wedi trio siarad gyda teganau, right, allan, par, siarad am unrhyw beth. Just try and keep the conversation going as much as you can. Unrhyw beth, right? Cymraeg. And dim ots, if you don't know the word in Gymraeg, just stick the word in Saesneg a car ymlaen in Gymraeg. Trio, okay? Yeah, so par.
Are they speaking to each other or we speaking to Caroline?
Now you can do, chi, ti'n siarad gyda Caroline, mae Caroline wedi, mae'r wywer yn gwybod popeth am Caroline, knows the ins and outs of her life. So nawr, mae hi'n siarad gyda ti.
But then I'm going to ask, it says she, and I'd rather say to you.
I'm glad with you.
Yeah, that's right. You don't do it now. That was the first trial run. So now you step up.
Trust in you.
Just talk to a real person. Now. Yeah.
Sut o'i ti?
Steve Tree.
Iawn, da iawn.
Shmai.
What do I say, Shmai?
How are you, Shemai?
I fi sgwyd yna. Diolch yn fawr.
Diolch.
Wywer.
Dwi'n oce.
Beth ydych chi'n gwneud y bore yma?
Y bore yma means this morning. Dwi'n gwneud alternative technology centre Machynlleth. Well, and a dosbarth and a alternative energy centre Machynlleth. Avec is French. Gyda fi? Which is he, isn't it?
With me?
Gyda fi. Iwan athro.
And a dosbarth.
Dwi'n hoffi dysgu Cymraeg.
Ydw, dwi'n hoffi dysgu Cymraeg. Llawer. Lots.
Okay.
Pedwar o blanc.
Roedd ti'n siarad yn Cymraeg a gwneud
Oes plant.
the weather.
Weithiau.
Sometimes.
Weithiau. Sometimes. A few words. Gave here or a few words. Like fel, shemai, neu, or hoyl am a tro, hoyl val. A few words demand, just a few words, but only a few words.
Yeah.
Jack, Lewis,
Do you?
Your brain is frozen. I can't remember my daughter's name. Akamali. Just an asthma attack.
Really?
Yeah, it starts that really dry heaving, and then I go, and then I didn't have my one day. I didn't have my vent with me. Just when I made it back to the thing, yeah, quite frightening. Right? Okay.
Dwi'n... Beth ti moyn i yfed?
Beth ti moyn i yfed? Where? Beth ti moyn what?
Beth ti moyn
i yfed?
I yfed?
What do I like to drink?
Yes.
What do I have to drink? What do I like to drink? Beth ti moyn i yfed? Beer lager. Pob alcohol. Popeth?
Popeth.
Everything.
Popeth. Dwi'n hoffi te. Dwi'n hoffi yfed. Alright? Dwi'n hoffi yfed.
You like also...
Dwi'n hoffi dŵr yfed.
Right. Beth? Rydyn... Heno? Tonight. What is it? Beth? Beth? What are you doing? What?
Dwi... Heno?
Beth, no, Heno? Heno, what are you doing tonight?
Heno? Dwi'n canu.
You're singing?
Dwi'n canu with gyda. Steve.
Wyn. Steve.
Ar
piano.
Pawb. Ar piano. Yn cerddoriaeth mawr. Cerddoriaeth.
Musical singing.
Cerddoriaeth da. Cerddoriaeth da. Cerddoriaeth bendigedig.
Bendigedig?
I think that means beautiful.
So I don't know what to say. Or if I say, I've been to the toilet. I've eaten something. I'm trying to ask you, what are you doing? Right, what are you doing tonight?
That's because it's future.
Beth, let's go and have a quick look at that. This...
Byddai canu...
Kaz, stand
Byddai, that's what I should have said. Byddai canu ac Steve
Byddai canu
a Wyn a pawb gyda piano.
Gyda piano.
Hymns and arias.
So, when i di canu heno, you will sing tonight. When i di canu heno.
Byddwn ni canu Les Miserables.
Defo.
Byddwn ni canu...
Oedden ni canu Les Mis. Oedden ni, we were canu Les Mis and...
Bore ma. Oedden ni canu... Hop, 1, 2, 3. Hop, 1, 2, 3.
Bore ma.
Ysgwydd. No, that's shoulder. What's the week? Here, bydd. Ha.
So if I would say, will you be, what are you doing? You know, what? Yeah, what? Beth. Doing are you?
Beth wyt ti?
Beth wyt ti? What? Beth wyt ti? This is a big one, we need to know this.
Yeah.
What you doing, we don't know this. It's a big, very important one.
I reckon Beth wyt ti?
What? You are?
Beth wyt ti wedi?
What have you done, but what are you doing?
Beth wyt ti
Beth wyt ti? See, Beth, we need...
How'd you say doing?
What are you doing tonight? What are you doing? Where's need though?
Gwneud is to do.
To do.
So, be, wyt ti'n, posofien.
Beth wyt ti wneud? Beth wyt ti wneud?
Beth wyt ti'n wneud heno? What are you doing tonight?
Yeah, good chat to blind.
Yeah.
I've been trying to get to that for ages. I've told her I've been to the toilet. I've told her... I got 4 children. It hasn't bode well. Now I'm saying to her, I've been to the toilet, I got 4 children. Now what are you up to tonight?
Sgorio.
Oh God. That was terrible.
Okay.
Beth wyt ti'n wneud?
Beth wyt ti'n wneud? What are you doing? Beth wyt ti'n wneud?
Stopio. Okay, pal.
Which lines?
Stopio.
Da iawn. Okay. Agus mae amser yn dod i fe, ond da iawn. Agus mewn gwirionedd...
Oh, so funny.
Sefyllfa ydych chi yn fanna. If you were in a situation with a monoglot, say, Japanese speaker, monoglot Russian speaker, and you had that amount of Japanese or Russian, you could probably converse painfully, but you could converse. Y problem ydy, we have English to fall back on. But beth ni'n cael gwneud ydy, mewn gwirionedd, if you can be bloody minded enough to just trio siarad Cymraeg, you'll break through that wall. Yeah? Felly, ond y peth ydy, mae yn bosib wneud e. Mae yn bosib i wneud e. Ac wneud yn dda iawn, because when you consider, dych chi wedi dod yma dydd Gwener, a heddiw mae hi'n ddydd Mercher, ac rwan dych chi'n gallu siarad, I'm not saying you're speaking eloquently or perfectly, dim byd, ond dych chi'n gallu siarad. Dyna di'r peth bwysig. Dych chi'n gallu cael rhywbeth allan. Yeah? So, na fe, so da iawn, oedd hynny'n bwysig, achos heddiw was the crunch day. If you hadn't done that today, you left it too late. So, dych chi just dechrau cael e allan. So, y fori nawr, a diwrnod wedyn, we will do little bits mwy o siarad Cymraeg. Just little bits of it. Siarad Cymraeg, cael allan, siarad Cymraeg. Da iawn. And you did some quite complicated things putting sentences together. Da iawn. You should give yourselves a clap ar eich cefn.
Da iawn.
Da iawn. Llongyfarchiadau, da iawn. So you're on track, you're where we needed to be by today, yeah? If you were not here today, then you would have been behind. So you are where you need to be. Da iawn. So now ni orffen, achos mae Mostyn yn hapus iawn bod chi wedi bod yn siarad Cymraeg, ond mae Mostyn wir yn licio can am y misoedd. Felly, dyn ni'n mynd i ganu i orffen, dyn ni'n mynd i ganu gorffen, finish off in style, dyn ni'n mynd i orffen can y misoedd. Felly, pawb i fyny, os oedd y cor. The male voice choir again, women in it as well. Felly, cor, pawb i fyny, dyn ni'n mynd i ganu hyn gan yn gilydd.
Dwi'n caru canu.
Ie, dwi'n gallu gweld hynny. A dweud y gwir, mae ffrindiau chi eisiau ymuno mewn. Ffrindiau chi eisiau... Dyma chi, mae ffrindiau eisiau ymuno i mewn. Dyma ni, ffrindiau eisiau ymuno i mewn. Gowch chi, neu gowch chi un o'r rheina, os chi eisiau cadw neu rhywbeth, right? Right, iawn, mae'n mwy o anifeiliaid yn fanna, ac... Mae Mostyn eisiau ymuno mewn hefyd gyda'r canu, okay? Felly, iawn.
Ymestyn.
Iawn, so wedi eisiau tylluan, ie? Tylluan a carw. OK, diolch yn fawr iawn. OK. Right, o top. That's our hyd yn oes, ie.
That's what I did earlier.
Diolch yn fawr.
But you can sing. You didn't give us enough beat or downbeat.
I can't see.
It's me. I'm sorry, what are we singing it to?
Men of Harlech. Ddim ar hyd yn nos.
Well, let me get it right, so I know what to do.
Iod ar chwefr mawr ffag ebryll, mae me hefyd ag o fenna. Aws wedi hadref tachwedd rhagfyr o fi. Iod ar chwefr mawr ffag ebryll, mae me hefyd ag o fenna. Aws wedi hadref Okay,